When you build PowerPoint slides, you're often pressed for time. The last thing you want is to waste time building illustrations from scratch. Fortunately, you don't have to. With SmartArt graphics, you'll save time and trouble while impressing your audience with stunning visuals. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress, and I'm a PowerPoint design pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with SmartArt in PowerPoint. In moments, you'll be creating spectacular SmartArt designs of your own. The best way to begin is with a premium PPT template from Envato Elements. Elements offers the best deal for creatives today, unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many premium PowerPoint slide deck templates as you want. Plus, Elements includes millions of other digital assets. Among these are stock photos, fonts, and so much more. Browse the vast library and join today. And don't forget to subscribe to Envato Tuts Plus as well. There, you'll enjoy more great tutorials and videos like this. For this tutorial, we'll use the beautiful clean PowerPoint template. It has over 50 unique slides inside that you can work with easily. I have it downloaded and open here, and you can see some of these cool custom layouts as I scroll through like this. Many of these are perfect places to add SmartArt. So, what exactly is SmartArt in PowerPoint? In essence, it's a collection of pre-made charts, graphics, and data visual styles. They're built to customize, and they adapt and evolve instantly as you work. Think of SmartArt as a dynamic tool when you need to share ideas and data. Imagine for this example that you want to illustrate a multi-step process. Of course, you could simply use text, but when you know how to use SmartArt in PowerPoint, you can show the process in a much more impressive way. To add SmartArt PowerPoint designs, come up to the Insert tab found here on PowerPoint's ribbon. Choosing it, you'll see the SmartArt button. Click on SmartArt and the SmartArt PowerPoint menu launches. Here on the left, you'll see a list of several categories. These represent the different types of SmartArt that you can add. I'll work through the list here by clicking through it. Notice the thumbnail previews of your design choices. Clicking one, you'll see a more detailed description on the right. Remember, the trick here is to choose a design that complements your specific content. For our tutorial purposes, the basic chevron process here is a great bet. Let's select that design option and click OK to add it to the slide. PowerPoint adds the SmartArt to the slide, and now we can get to work. But what if we have a 4-step process? Notice that the SmartArt graphic only has 3 steps. No worries. Up here on the SmartArt Design tab, find the Add Shape dropdown. It's over here in the upper left corner. Click on it and then choose to add a shape after or before. You'll see a new shape appear. Now we can add key details. The easiest way is to use the text pane here on the left, which appears whenever you have SmartArt selected. These bullet points represent the text in each of the chevrons. You can click on one and type over it as you're seeing me do here. Notice how the text and graphic resizes in real time. It's an incredible time saver. I'll repeat these steps, adding in my key details. Again, the SmartArt scales to fit the new text. It's a powerful way to illustrate a process like this. Now let's make some stylistic edits to really make our SmartArt shine. We'll return to the SmartArt Design tab here to get started. For example, we can change the style of our SmartArt without having to start over. Here in the Layouts drop-down gallery, you can explore and change the design of your SmartArt. When you click a new design, PowerPoint automatically converts your existing SmartArt into the new layout. You don't have to do any rework. Next up, you can come over to the SmartArt Styles gallery here on the right. These styles let you alter the look and feel of the SmartArt design you've already built. Let's choose one of these options to give our SmartArt a 3D look. Finally, you can change the colors of your SmartArt. These options live here on the Change Colors drop-down menu in the center of the SmartArt Design tab. Browsing the choices here, you can see that several are great ways to add extra contrast to help each step stand out. I'll choose one here, and you'll see the new palette applied to the SmartArt graphic. That's all it takes. As you can see, SmartArt graphics are a winning way to illustrate your slide decks. They're smart, versatile, and adaptable. All you have to do is fill in your key details, and PowerPoint handles the rest of the work. And you always have unmatched flexibility to change the layouts, colors, and more. Try it out today. Before you go, don't forget to click like on this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you'll find countless videos like this one, including courses, tutorials, and more. You can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.